If it hadn't been for the weather, probably job done by now.
Yeah, you'd like to think so. There's plenty of overs in the day, good conditions to bowl again, but obviously the umps thought it was not fit to play initially, and then we're on off a bad night, which frustrated us a little bit today.
I think this morning when we arrived here it felt like dusk rather than dawn, didn't it?
Yeah, it was a sort of strange old sort of light and weather, and the sort of grey clouds kept blowing in, and probably the light, that obviously wasn't fit because the umpire said it wasn't fit, but it was a strange old day really all round.
There was talk that Durham wouldn't enforce the follow-on, but they did. I mean, bowling Leicestershire out for 143, that a sizable lead, and there was it 314, so sensible thing to do in the circumstances.
Yeah, I think so. You don't want to mess about with the game, do you? As it happened, we lost a large chunk today, so the obvious thing was to make them follow on, and it would have been nice to get a couple of wickets and sort of get stuck into them a bit tonight, but I'm sure tomorrow morning we've got everything to play for, to sort of try and impress a decent crowd. So I'm sure we'll be at it tomorrow morning.
Credit to Ben Rain this year. He's got 59 championship wickets, which equals his best season from 2015. He just runs in and does his job, doesn't he? Real tight lines, causes problems for batsmen. And then Vishwa Fernando at the other end, he took 4 as well.
Yeah, Ben has been as consistent as anybody all season, and remarkably it's his first 5 for the season. But I think the fact that he just gets wickets every time he bowls is a testament to how much control he's had over the ball. And then Vishwan, he was a bit slow started at Worcester, and he's got better with every spell really. I think he just started to swing the ball a little bit, and I think the first 9 wickets were either bowled or LBW, so it just shows that we bowl with a lot more control and patience this game.
Finish in front of a home crowd tomorrow. You will be presented with a second division trophy at some point when it's all over. Quite a lot of people have said to us this week they couldn't get down to until Friday, so a bit of a relief for them, I suppose.
Yeah, look, you're going to win the game initially, but it's got the potential to be a sort of brilliant finish for everybody. A nice sunny day, a decent crowd, and I think that will give us the incentive to sort of charge in and bowl well tomorrow. It gives that incentive to win the game, and then have the cup presented in front of a decent crowd. Yeah.